What is going on, guys? Welcome to GregglesTV Daily. Let's get into the tech news. First story of the day is about the iPhone 9 pricing. Now, this will be the successor to the iPhone SE, and it looks like the iPhone 9 is going to cost $399, have a 4.7-inch display, and 64 gigs of storage, and the newest A13 processor. Now, if you don't remember what the iPhone SE is the it was the super small iPhone. It was like the same size as like the iPhone 5. This will be 4.7 inches, like I said, so it'll be a little bit smaller than some of their other phones right now, but it's gonna have really good specs for a really, really good price, and it should be out around March, possibly. Next up, Max Weinbach posted a Galaxy Home Mini video, a couple clips and some more information about this. Remember, this is going to be Samsung's smart speaker to compete with Google Home, to compete with Apple smart speaker and Amazon smart speaker. So let's check out a quick little video.
Hi there, I'm Bixby. Start off by opening the SmartThings app on your phone.
Some other quick tidbits is he said his source tested it and you can make it say literally anything you want. It also has multi-room and stereo modes and will send you notifications. Looks great all around. This is a screenshot here showing off that information, meaning you can listen to music in stereo or listen in multi-rooms at the same time. All of your Galaxy Home Mini speakers need to be added to the same location in SmartThings and connected to the same Wi-Fi network. Google already has that. So does Amazon as well. So those aren't new features, but it's good that Galaxy does have it. You can see notifications, select the notifications you want to receive from SmartThings, such as emergencies and appliances and sensors. He also said that the Galaxy Home Mini only has 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi, no 5 gigahertz. Probably not a huge deal, but I am kind of surprised it doesn't have the 5 gigahertz. Next up, if you want to check out the Samsung Galaxy S20 line of phones the same day it comes out, you potentially can at one of their Samsung experience stores around the country. There's not hundreds of these stores going around. There's like a handful of stores, and some of these RSVP viewing parties they're going to have are already filled up, like I know the Los Angeles one is. But regardless, I'll link it down below. Check your city. Here's a real life photo of the Samsung Galaxy S20 Plus 5G. It's going to be the 6.7 inch variant of this, and small bezels, same thing you'd expect. Small bezels, camera at the top that looks pretty small. And then lastly, this, I'm not going to show the hands-on video because it's on YouTube, but the link is down below if you want to watch the whole thing. It is so cool. This is the Microsoft Surface Duo. It will run Android, and it's that dual screen phone that you can fold in half and use as a traditional phone when it's closed up, or open it up and have two displays. Thing is awesome. I'm super excited about this. This will be out at the end of the year. If you do watch the video, you'll notice the software is a little buggy in terms of performance. It's not super smooth, which is, again, it's probably just buggy software that needs to be updated. But other than that, very interesting device. Anyways, guys, there you go. That is your news for today. My question out to you guys is, are you gonna watch the live showing of the Galaxy S20 line of phones on February 11th? Remember, I will be there, so I should have a video out that day or the next day, probably that day. But we'll see. Anyways, let me know what you guys are gonna do, if you're gonna watch it or not, in the comments down below, and what you're excited for. We'll see you down the road. Peace!